It is the interior designing tips brought to you by Plascon. Every single week, Plascon tries to help you. And not only they give you the interior designing tips, if you have seen a small segment on the interior designing tips or the painting tips, that is also done by Plascon. And Plascon is actually partnering with us on the model show home. The model show home is taking place right now. The stages it has reached, actually defining it. You can get to see the shape of what is becoming of the model home. Still again, it's the interior designing tips.
Interior designing is brought to you by Plascon. Color your world.
Today, we'll be looking at how to make your home look cohesive. That is, be coordinated throughout, from the bedroom, kitchen, sitting room, bathrooms. So I'll be giving you tips on how to make it all coordinated. Point number one, use a color palette. So this is something that you're going to have on your phone, something that has the colors that you love, that you can always move with. And so whenever you're shopping something to decorate your home, so you have a color palette and you can always go according to that palette. Try to use neutral colors. Those are the grays, cream. These make it very easy to decorate, because you can always add other accessories. So let's say you could go with the cream walls or sandstone colors, gray colors. These help you, they give you a chance to actually decorate with the yellows, with the browns, with any other color that you like. So try to use neutral colors everywhere. Let it be in the bedroom, in the bathrooms, in the kitchen, and in the living room for your background. The tip that you will have to follow when you're making your house so coordinated, try to know your theme, the theme of your house. With everything, like, you have to know your end game. What do you want to achieve when you're decorating your home? So try to know your theme and then stick to it. Then another point that you have to follow while trying to make your home look cohesive is you have to assess the size of your space. This one, we've talked about it over and over again, but it's a very huge point that you should follow. Always know your space, because what works for the big space does not work for the small space. So this is a point that you should always have in mind whenever you're decorating the place. You have to keep your floor coordinated. That is, from the living area to the dining area to the bedrooms. Try to make it more or less the same, especially when it comes to color, because it gives you a sense of continuity. You don't want to reach in the bedroom and there's like a strange color of the tiles, so try to keep it together. So another point that you should also consider while coordinating your home is the fabrics. The fabrics should coordinate. If you have linen in the sitting room, try to put more linen in the bedrooms. Try to use more linen curtains. So try to keep the texture of your fabrics more or less the same. So all in all, try to keep your house so coordinated with color, with the palettes, with the theme. Try to keep everything more or less the same. So that was the interior designing tip of the week. Thank you so much.
For over 55 years, as customers, we have come to know, love and trust one paint company to color our homes, to color our lives, to color our world. And it's due to this trust that this company has become the biggest in East Africa. And now that same company brings you the same paint you've known for over 55 years, the same products you've trusted to color your world. But now with a new name, Plascon. Plascon, color your world.